Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Robinhood, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, what is the minimum account deposit to get the free stock on Robinhood? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video, but I'll go over some important information you need to consider if you are going to be using someone's referral to get a free stock bonus with Robinhood. But why would you want to know what the minimum account deposit is to get a free stock with Robinhood? Well, that's pretty easy. Robinhood runs promotions from time to time, so just keep in mind that this promotion could change after the recording of this video. But at the time of the recording of this video, as far as I know, the promotion that is approved on my account, there is no minimum deposit to get the free stock with Robinhood. So what's going to happen is you have to use a referral link. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. Once you go through the referral link, then you will need to sign up for Robinhood with various information as you would with any kind of investment account. Once that happens, you do need to link a bank account to your Robinhood account. Once that happens, then you will qualify for the free stock with Robinhood. There is no minimum balance required in order to get the free stock with Robinhood, at least at the time of the recording of this video. Let me show you what I mean by clicking on my link. Okay, guys, I went ahead and inserted my referral link here into my browser, and this is what you'll see. Check my video description if you just need a referral link to Robinhood free stock promotion, or you can just ask your friend or family member who already has Robinhood. But as you can see right at the front, it's going to give you the option to go ahead and claim your free stock now. That will bring you into the registration to list off your personal information that is required for the investment account. Also, you will need to link a bank account, but if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see this right here. It says no money needed. You do not need any money in your account to get your free stock, which is kind of cool because a lot of investment companies require you to make a minimum deposit of $100 or $500 or sometimes $50,000 in order to get any of their bonuses or promotions. Now, like I told you earlier, Robinhood is a multi-million-dollar company, so therefore their company policies could change at any time. Their promotions could change at any time. So if you happen to be watching this video in the future and you know that Robinhood now requires a minimum deposit into your account in order to get the free stock, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the minimum deposit is into your account in order to qualify for the free Robinhood stock, that's the best information I know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.